Ever wonder what magic you can create with just a little snow and a lot of imagination? Well, today we're heading deep into a snowy American forest to meet a man who's turning winter into his own personal art studio. And he's got the best assistant in the world, his loyal dog. This isn't just about building a snowman. It's about bringing a creature of the wild to life, right in its natural habitat. Stick around, because you're about to witness a beautiful transformation from a simple pile of snow into a breathtaking work of art. Our story begins on a crisp, cold day. The world is covered in a thick blanket of white, and the only sounds are the crunch of boots on snow and the happy panting of a four-legged friend. Our artist, a wonderfully creative gentleman, has found the perfect spot. It's a clearing where the light filters through the tall pines just right. He's not here to just enjoy the scenery, though. He has a vision. He wants to create a goat, a majestic mountain goat, standing proud and strong against the winter landscape. The first step, gathering materials. Okay? With his dog eagerly sniffing around, he starts collecting dry branches. It's like a puzzle, piecing together the gifts of the forest to build a foundation. Too little, and it won't hold its shape. He works with the patience of a seasoned master, his hands shaping and molding the cold, powdery snow. As the form takes shape, you start to see more than just a lump of snow. You see the personality of the creature emerging. He carves out the details of the face, creating the gentle slope of the nose and the strong jawline. You can almost feel the cold wind ruffling its fur. It's a dance of creation, a conversation between the artist and his medium. Every pat of snow, every carefully placed twig, adds another layer of life to the sculpture. And then comes the moment that truly brings the snow goat to life, the painting. The colors seem to capture the essence of a winter twilight, the magical hour when the sky is filled with soft, ethereal hues. He starts with the body, applying broad strokes of deep blue and purple, letting the colors mix and flow into one another. He uses white to highlight the muscles and the texture of the fur, making the sculpture pop against the snowy background. The horns are painted a brilliant, almost glowing shade, making them look like they're carved from ice or precious gems. He pays special attention to the eyes, giving them a wise and gentle expression that seems to gaze out into the forest. It's as if the goat is the guardian spirit of this winter wonderland. His dog sits patiently by his side, a silent and appreciative audience. The final result is absolutely breathtaking. What started as a simple pile of branches and snow has been transformed into a magnificent, colorful creature that looks like it stepped right out of a fairy tale. The goat stands proudly in the clearing, its vibrant coat a stark and beautiful contrast to the serene white of the forest. It's a testament to the power of creativity and the beauty that can be found when we take the time to play and connect with nature. This isn't just a snow sculpture, it's a moment of pure, unadulterated joy captured in ice and color. Think about the sheer dedication this took. Hours spent in the cold, carefully selecting each branch, packing each handful of snow, and applying each brushstroke with precision and love. It's a powerful reminder that art can be found anywhere and created from anything. You don't need a fancy studio or expensive materials. All you need is an idea, a bit of passion, and maybe a furry best friend to keep you company. This gentleman and his dog have created something truly special, a temporary masterpiece that will melt away with the spring, but the memory of its beauty will last forever. What an incredible journey we've been on today. From a simple walk in the woods to the creation of a mythical snow beast. It really makes you look at a snowy day a little differently, doesn't it? It's a canvas just waiting for your imagination. I hope this story has inspired you to find the magic in your own surroundings. Thank you so much for joining us and witnessing this beautiful moment of creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.